Alright, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button please, and don't forget to thumb the video up. So, I took everything I have, all my savings, and I put it into stocks. I figured since the Fed's propping up the stock market, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get in on the mix. Now, my goal here is to get any profit I can and get out. If you guys aren't, eventually I want to hold these stocks, but for now I can't. I mean, it's just, sure, I might turn a 20 or 30% profit throughout a year, but I mean, I'm trying to make, I'm trying to turn this six into, and my goal is to get, you're going to laugh, but my goal is to turn this 6,000 to 20,000 by the end of the year. So I can't afford to hold these stocks long term. Now, I'm not opposed to it. This is why predominantly I want to play big ticket stocks like Boeing, Facebook, things like that, even though I can't buy a whole lot of them. Chubb. I made some money on Chubb, but I could only buy, a few, so I didn't make too much. Now, Boeing, on the other hand, I bought them at 181 last week. They shot up to $239 when I went to bed that third night, and I said, well, if they go down 10 bucks, I'm selling, period. I made my money. It was already up like $2 grand. And I woke up, it was 220. It dropped 19 bucks overnight, or 19 bucks in the early hours. So by the time I got my trade open, it was already down to like 216 or 217, and I think finally I got like 217 out of the sale. But it still was $1,100 profit for like a 2-day transaction. It was like 2 early mornings, 2 after hours, and 2 regular days. And I think I sold on the morning of the third day. And then it was lucky I got out, because you can see where it is now. It dropped all the way down to like, it was in the 170s on Thursday. I think maybe Friday. The day after that big dip we had when the Dow lost 1,800 points. I believe that was Thursday. Yeah, and I think Friday this thing went down even to this 170s. It came back Friday afternoon and in the after hours. Oh no, actually it didn't. It went down in the after hours. So I guess it came back Friday. I forget. I wasn't really paying much attention to it because I was watching my current stock. So after I got out of Boeing, I took that money and I rolled it over into RTX. I got in at $71 a share. I got 80 something shares. I think it was 88 shares. And the same day I bought my shares, the news broke about their breach of fiduciary duties or whatever the deal was, and it just dropped immediately. Within 2 days, it was down to like $73 or something. I was like, oh no, I was down like 800 and some change, almost 900 bucks. I almost lost all the profit I gained back from Boeing, right? So I said, okay, well, I'm prepared to hold on to it if I have to. I don't want to sell for a loss. But then something amazing happened when I started watching this stock, IDEX. And I saw the potential here. So I sold a loss of RTX. Okay, it actually came back up. So instead of losing 800 or whatever it was, it came back up to pretty much where it is now. I got 65 out of it, which brought my loss to around $570. 550. It was something like that. It hurt, but I took that money. What was left of it? The 50 or the 6,500 ish, and I rolled it over into this at $1.03 a share. Actually, I bought it was in 2 transactions. At first, I bought it at like 77 cents. I forget how much I bought, and it went up. It shot way up, and so I was in the green on that one transaction. I was like, you know what? I told myself I'm never going to double down on a dying stock. When the stock goes down, I'm not going to buy more shares thinking I can lower my cost to get my money back. But I never said to myself I won't do it when a stock's climbing. So this is what I see here. Okay, this is a resistance line, or a support line right here at $1. Okay, we're through this. This is another support line right down here somewhere around $1.06, $1.07. We're past that. I don't think we're coming down lower than that unless some bad news breaks or something. And this is the red is my getting out. If it goes down to this, I'm out. This is my limit call, I guess is what you call it. I'm done at that point. I mean, I'll lose three tenths of a or 300ths of a cent, but no, I'll lose 3 cents a share. But I'd rather lose 3 cents a share than be stuck with a penny stock that's gonna quickly go to 45 cents. So this is what I see here. I see we busted through resistance at 107. We busted through at 110, and now currently it's sitting about 114. Okay, look at the volume down here. You can see this volume spike, and then it sold off right there as it climbed up, and then it came down. The volume stayed high and it climbed down. High volume, declining prices, lower lows, lower highs, all the way down, and then we hit this resistance here between 106 and 107, and we just bounced around like that until we climbed out of it, and then we began to climb up, but it was on lower volume. So I'm thinking there's a chance. This is my rookie analysis here. Okay, we climbed up and we tapered off, then we went down, but we had a lower high, or I'm sorry, a higher low. See, higher low, and then we kind of walked a line, and then we climbed up. Now we got back to our 110 resistance. Okay, then we powered through it. Volume started picking up right here, and we charged right through at the very end, and then in after hours it finished up at 115. So I'm gonna stay with this stock, and this is where I'm thinking. I think we're good to go. Now I don't know if this is gonna be a Monday thing, but let me see if I can zoom all the way out here. Let me put this into 30 minutes and go out some. No, let's put it into days. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking. Oh, I got all kinds of lines on here. Sorry, I forgot I did all this. Oh wow. Okay, so basically what I'm thinking is I'm good. I don't know about this. Close that one out. I think once we broke through this $1.14 support line, or I'm sorry, resistance line, I think we're good to 135. I don't see any clear resistance. Maybe around 130, but I think we're good to go. I think we're gonna start off Monday, and now I'm not saying it's gonna be a, like this part here where it jumped from 32 cents to $1. I'm not saying that's gonna happen at all, because this company, I mean, you can do your own research. I'm not giving you updates on the company or whatnot, but they got a lot of promising news going on, and a lot of they've basically rebranded their business. They have a whole new focus now. Like they were before, they were like a financial tech, like blockchain and I forget what you call it, but financial, like Apple Pay, Google Pay, I forget what they call it, fintech and blockchain. But now they're in the electric vehicle business, and they're trying to capitalize on a mandate by the Chinese government that all electric vehicles be all public transportation vehicles be electric by, I think, the end of next year. And they've already had lots of sales and just good news coming everywhere. They've paid off debt, so I'm stoked. And plus, as you can see, I'm up $760, so I've already mitigated all the losses I took from RTX, and I'm still in the black. As you can see, if I started with 6,000 and my account's worth 73.46 right now. So I'm going to keep you posted. Probably try to do one video a week, or if something really cool happens, maybe I'll do a middle of the week video. But if you guys are interested anyway, if you guys don't like it, then just thumb it down and tell me I suck in the comments, and I'll probably keep doing it anyway, because I have fun doing it. And maybe some of you guys can actually give me some pointers and some tips, things to look for, because I'm just learning all this stuff. I'm a rookie, but I'm trying, and I'm determined. Anyways, well, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that subscribe button, please. And again, smash that like button, will you? And, all right, well, I hope you have a wonderful day. Till the next video, I'm out.